Sia and Sai and more. This is my family. Meet my brother Sai. Then I'm Sia. Two inventor cute. Set free. In the Philippines. Like the video, subscribe, get notified. Mommy, I like Jolibee. I want Jolibee, Mommy.
Okay. You want to cook Jolibee?
Quick info. Do you know that Jalibe is an Indian sweet snack? Popular all over South Asia and also known in Middle East. It is made by deep frying all-purpose flour butter in pretzel or circular shapes, which are then soaked in sugar syrup. Sia wants Jolibee sweet, so we will try to make it. But we will make it a Jolibee sweet with a twist. These are the ingredients. Brown sugar, water, vanilla extract. Heat the pan, put the water, and then brown sugar, and then mix until the brown sugar will dissolve. Mix it well. I usually use brown sugar in all my recipes. Instead of cardamom, we'll put vanilla extract for aroma because my kid doesn't like the smell of cardamom. So the syrup is done, set aside. For the Jolibee batter, use food coloring, baking powder, all-purpose flour, 1 cup, and 1 cup yogurt. In a bowl, put the all-purpose flour, baking powder, cup of yogurt, food coloring, mix it. To achieve the watery mixture, we need to add little by little water until we achieve the desired consistency. This is the desired consistency that we want. Now we are ready to put in the piping bag. Now we are ready to make a Jolibee. Wish me luck. Heat the pan and put the oil. Put a little amount of butter for taste. Now we fry it in a circular motion. Then wait until it is crispy. After frying, we need to put directly the Jolibee in the sugary syrup. And this one is done. Not perfectly shaped, but the taste is just exactly the same. See, I still love it. Jolibee is crispy and sweet.
Yummy! Delicious!
my own version of Jolibee. Hope you like it. This is the Jolibee store that we usually go in India. Their Jolibee sweet is so delicious and it looks so yummy. This is different kind of Jolibee also. This Jolibee uses pure fresh cane sugar. That's why the color is brown. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.